Hello everyone, and welcome to my session of Strictly Physical by the band Villanova. And in this section we are going to tackle the digital part, the digital mixing, and sort of what we were doing. Now, as you may have seen, when we recorded guitars, let me just get to the guitars over here. We used a Marshall amp and a Shure SM57 dynamic microphone for our analog recording. The reason that we did so was because many of the digital products out there, like this amp simulator, let me just pull that up here. Many of these actually have different types of microphones that you can choose. So for example, when we click on the condenser microphone, let's solo that, we get something that sounds like this. And then if we go more to like the SM57 sort of thing, and that's what we recorded with in the analog version, we will get something like this. So that one would be on axis, and then this one should be off axis. So if we do the other side as well, you might notice a bit more of a difference here on the left side. So on your left hand side, this is the condenser version, and then we'll swap back to the SM57. Here we go. And this is on axis. Right, so there you have it. That is just basically the DI signal that we recorded that was bypassed from the back of the amplifier, which I'll show you in a second. Yeah, so this was the recording process for the digital guitars. Just a pure DI signal that was recorded through the back of an analog amplifier where the signal was bypassed. So none of the analog processing actually altered the signal. As you can see here, it's just an actual DI signal. So what we'll do is I'll actually turn this off, and we'll listen to just the DI signal. Keep in mind that it's very low. So there you have it. That's just the pure DI signal that was bypassed from the back of the guitar amp. Let's just undo that. Right. Okay. So that was the guitars part, and now if we move down to